Hey guys, this is Mark Roemke from Ninja Training TV. We have Yuki Chigai from Shoden Level, Kukishinden Ryu. Hey! Hey! Okay, Yuki Chigai. So in Yuki Chigai, we got a lot of different things going on here. We're going to be stepping out to the side and letting this arm kind of slide through, but we're checking it with this hit. Then I can grab the sword or get a light touch on here. And as I rotate right on his arm, I go for the Kasumi here, right up at the top. He might block it, that's fine, because now I'm checking his other hand as I come through, and then I throw with the Katate Nage and do that throw coming down. So one more time, I flow out to the left, block, rotate the hit, come in through and check that back arm, and throw in Katate Nage. This is Yuki Chigai from Shoden Level Kukishinden Ryu. Please give me a thumbs up, hit like, and subscribe. And we love you guys for following our channel. Thank you so much. As always, keep training.